Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant. And in this video, we will check together Bitcoin. Here is the daily update for Bitcoin. But before we start, guys, thank you so much for 600 abos here on YouTube. Thank you so much for your support on my live stream. You can see it here, Bitcoin Trading Informant live stream, 24 hours, 7 days a week. Momently are watching 197 guys here. This is my big baby. This is my live stream. I'm streaming live on Twitch and YouTube also, and this is the 24 hours, 7 days a week live stream, and a really nice community there, and a lot of information. I think all information you need for trading, for make positive trades. This is showing you here my live stream. You can see here the 15-minute chart on this side here of Bitcoin. You can see in 15 minutes now momently we are forming a diamond pattern, and we see a breakout to the downside of this prior diamond pattern. We see sell signals, we see buy signals, we see the ribbon band, we see the EMA 200 line here. It's coming as a resistance from the downside, from the upside, and we have also here the Ethereum chart, because a lot of guys are trading Ethereum here. Also, me too. We see here the 1 hour chart, the big support line on the downside, spiked completely perfect here. We see the parallel channel. We see here on the downside the 4 hour chart and the EMA 200. This is our support, and you can see it. This was the target of this downbreaking Bitcoin. We have the MACD. We have live here the sell or buy about Tradingview, the 15-minute live sell and buy here. We have how many guys are totally buying or selling or long and short. We have a quick overview of this Bitcoin or Ethereum or crypto coins on the downside, on the right side. And yes, we have of course here on the down left side here this very important stuff. This here is agro trade, you know it. This is making some funny noise if someone is buying with a lot of money, or it makes funny noises too if someone is selling. Momently you can see everything is green, it's buying. You can see this candle is also going up. So you see here the best thing for trading you need here. Greetings to my guys, greetings to my nice community, and special greetings to Xavier, my last week top #1 Jira, Matthew, greetings out there, thank you so much. Place #2 last week, Troll Magulijuti. I have so much problems with this name, Troll. Thank you very much. Place #3 last week for cheering here, for supporting me so much. Thank you so much for supporting me. Also, Mirko last week, he spent 11 gifts here, 11 subs here for my channel. Rich Concepts spent 10 here, 10 subs on my channel. And Empire 4, thank you so much for 1 spending gift here on my channel. Guys, thank you so much for supporting me. So guys, but now let's check Bitcoin. We are here for our Bitcoin video, and here is the fear and greed index, and you can see it, 66 points here. We have greed in the market, still greed, but look at this. Yesterday we had 70 points, last week 71 points, and look at last month, extreme greed was in the market, 91 points. Now, here it is, CoinMarketCap, our top 10 coins here in a quick overview. Bitcoin is going down today with nearly 6%. In the 7 days, it's going down with 0.58%. You can see the bearish red downtrend here the last 7 days. Ethereum, also problems here. Daily, it's dumping here with 5.7%. On 7 days, 1.7%. And also a red chart to the downside. Binance Coin is dumping also today, but in the weekly it's in a plus. You can see it here in this green chart. It's going to the upside momently. ADA dumping momently with nearly 5%. In the week it's going up with 11.4%. Very interesting. I have a video out there for ADA about yesterday. Please watch it. Very interesting. Polkadot today it's going down. On the weekly it's going up. XRP it's going up, and on the weekly we have a pump here for XRP. You can see it, 30% in the plus in the weekly. Uniswap is going down a little bit, but in the weekly it's going up with 16%. Litecoin is going down daily and the weekly. Also, Chainlink is going down in the weekly, up near 5%. So we have here XLM is going up also a little bit, and it's going up in the weekly with 7%. Luna is going down, big dump today, 12%. In the weekly it's going up with 27%. Dogecoin is going down, and it's going down also here on the 7 days. Who is the biggest loser? Who is the biggest winner? And here is the biggest winner of 24 hours. It's the coin named Dent, place number 68 here, 86, sorry, 86 on our coin market cap. And the second coin here is going up very nicely is Tesla Fuel. Okay, Pancake is also going up nicely, place number 3, the best performing coins. Who is the loser of the day? The loser of the day is momently Chillits. Chillits. Okay, it's a very hard name. Chillits, it's going down with 9.5%. Holo Hot is also going down with 8.5%. And Reverse Rights is also going down with 8.4%. These are the big losers of the day. Now, okay, guys, we are starting with our Bitcoin analyze. Here is, for the quick overview, the technical, as always, we will take a look about the big time frame. Here is the 1 day. You can see we have a neutral. In the last days, we always had a buy or strong buy. Now we have a neutral. That's very interesting here. We have a buy on the moving averages. Summary, we have neutral, and oscillators are neutral. On 4 hours, we have a sell, and a strong sell. Throw away your Bitcoin. On the 1 hour, we have a neutral and a sell, and on 50 minutes, we have a buy. And this was the buy we saw here on my live stream. This was this green big candle. But now let's go into this TA. Let's go deeper. We are starting with the 1 day analyze. I removed all things from yesterday so we can make a fresh one. For the next day, I will hold this drawing, so it's not necessary to draw it every time, so we have more time to speak about it. So okay, what's going on? Every candle is 1 day. We can make a Fibonacci line, and today we'll try something special here. We are making a Fibonacci line from the downside. This was the deepest point to the upside, like this point here. So we have on the daily view now very important Fibonacci lines to watch. And if we see now a downgoing Bitcoin, it's really necessary to watch at the next big Fibonacci lines. You can see it here. So we can see here the 23.6 Fibonacci line. This is a very important one, but I will make this not like this. Give me a try. I will change it. I will make it to the downside. If we are making it to the downside, because it's a retracement, we need to make it like this here. This is better, guys. This is better. This is the Fibonacci line. If we see a retracement, we are making this from the upside to the downside. If we see a pumping one, we're making this in the other direction. So now this is okay. We have now our 78.6 Fibonacci line here on this place. This is on 49,000. That's our big support. If we see more downgoing Bitcoin, we have this big support, the 78.6 Fibonacci. This is the golden pocket Fibonacci that must hold here for Bitcoin to see more mooning Bitcoin here. That's very important. The next line here is 61%, and this is 39,000. But we will not speak about 39,000. Okay, that's the big thing. The big thing to the upside, yes, this is our all-time high. If we can move on here, if we can go higher and higher, we have a big target to the upside, and this is our all-time high, about 61,800. This was our all-time high. Okay, that's the big thing. So now we are between these Fibonacci lines, and on the daily chart we see a downgoing Bitcoin. We make on the daily chart also a downtrend channel from the upside to the downside, like this and like this. This is a bearish red downtrend. We are making it red, and you can see it. Bitcoin broke through the middle line. This was also a support here. It's acting here. You can see it spiked on this support. It spiked also on this support. Here it broke through this support. Now it's retesting this support. The support is now a resistance, and on the daily you can see it now. Bitcoin is retesting this middle line. This middle line is now to show you better here, a red fat red resistance here. So now Bitcoin is retesting this resistance, and that's the big question now for the daily chart. Can Bitcoin go over this resistance, or will Bitcoin spike to this and go down to the downside here? So that's the big thing. Now guys, we have another thing to watch. These are the indicators. This is the RSI, and I always told you on the last days, attention guys, we have here a bearish divergence. This is a thing we have to watch here. We have a downgoing RSI. The relative strength index is going to the downside like this, but we have an upgoing price for Bitcoin from downside to the upside. And this is a very, very bearish thing here for the long term. We need to watch this, and in my opinion, it's very possible to see now a downgoing Bitcoin more to the downside. We will see how deep it will go. The next big thing is that very important. We have here a nice uptrend, and we can draw this uptrend with a parallel channel from the downside here on this point to this point. And you can see now, guys, one thing that's very important for you. The uptrend for the first is every time is a green one. So, and you can see it, we have spiked it perfect here. So guys, if you are trading, you have to check these things always. They're so important here. This green uptrend line is now here. You can see it, it's spiked perfect on this line. This was a perfect buy position for the next long position. Why? People are always asking me, BT, should I buy now? Should I buy now? Look at this here. If you are drawing your parallel channels, if you are making your work here on this trading view, you can see it so perfectly. This green line was the support. The support line was on this point here, maybe like this. So if you made a buy position on 53,000, it was a perfect buy in. Now it's going to the upside and you make win. Now it's on 55,000. You make 2,000 US dollar without leverage per Bitcoin if you are trading this. So that's the big picture. We are still in the one-day chart. I know this is the big picture for Bitcoin momentarily. We are going deeper. Now let's check the MACD. What's going on? RSI, bearish divergence. Okay, everything is okay. We know that. And this is now the MACD. Very important MACD. And you can see it also. The MACD is extreme bearish here. The blue line is under the brown line. We are building red candles here, and we may see more red candles here in the near future. Why not? It's possible. We have a strong uptrend. Yes, I know it. We are bullish. We are all bullish. We would all like to see Bitcoin on 100,000 and more. But for the moment, we have to watch this uptrend. This uptrend must hold. That's very, very important here for Bitcoin. Okay, let's check one thing also. We need the MA. We need the moving average. The moving average, the 21 moving average. It doesn't matter, guys, if you are using the 20 or the 21. It's nearly the same. It's not so a big thing if you are putting in to 21 or 20. But look at this. This is one of the bearish things ever now on the daily chart. We lost the support of the MA20, or if we are trying it, we can see here the difference. The MA21 is now on the middle line, and the 20, and if we are putting here the 21 MA into the range to try it, this is, you can see it here also. It's not so interesting here for us. If 20 or 21, it's not so the big problem. The big problem is we have a closed candle, a daily closed candle under this MA 2021. This is the big thing. Now, Bitcoin is retesting this MA, but the MA is now the big resistance, and this is the fight for Bitcoin momently. I know we are still on the one-day time frame. Now we are going to the 4-hour charts. What's going on with the 4-hour charts? You can see it. Also very nice. This M8 line is our big resistance momently. You can see it. Bitcoin respecting this. Here it was the support. It broke through, retested, broke through, retested, and going down again. Now this M8 2021 is a big resistance for us. Also the middle line, you can see it. Bitcoin is respecting the middle line always here and here again. Bitcoin now is trying to fight back here. This was a good buy position, and we will see what's going on now in the near future. MACD still bearish. You can see it bearish on the downside. I think always of a bear and not on a bear. Still bearish. Blue line under the brown line. You can see it here. Why I'm thinking about beer is here. Good. Okay, BT. Let's move on. Don't talk about beer here. You can see this fight now on the middle line. Very interesting on the 4-hour chart. Let's go deeper. Let's go. No. We will check something else here. We will check the ribbon band. The ribbon band is my friend, and you can see this here. This is so important. The green ribbon band was a big support. Now Bitcoin broke through this extreme, here through this support, and now ribbon band is our find the ribbon band is now red, and the red one is a resistance also. And you can see here we have a short position here since the middle line. This short position is not the best one. We need to see now the retest about this middle line, and we need to watch what's going on. We may fail now at the middle line and fall through the downside. We will see. We will see, guys. We can't predict the future, but we can be prepared for breaking out to both sides here. If we may break out from the upside here to this, we will meet our MA20 or 21 and 56,000. This would be the next thing. If we can go up again, if we will fall down again, this is the next big support to watch, 53,000. Also here coming from the downside, the EMA 200, that's the big support also on the 4-hour chart. This is very important to watch, guys. Now let's go to the 1-hour chart here very quick. The video is very long today also. Let's check it very quick. The same picture, guys. The Bitcoin is fighting with the middle line. From the upside here is coming the EMA 200. This is also a big resistance momently. And on the 1-hour chart we have the MA21. This is also a resistance momently. Ribbon band, also a resistance momently. MACD is bullish. Look at this on the 1-hour chart. This is looking nice. Bitcoin is trying now to break out from here. Let's check the 15-minute chart very quickly here. But it's not necessary to check it here. I can show it here to you on my Bitcoin Trading Information channel. Here we are, and you can see this is the 15-minute chart. The ribbon band is red, but Bitcoin broke through the ribbon band. That's a bullish thing with this big bullish candle. Someone bought here a lot of Bitcoin. You see the buy signal here momently. Now we see a retest of the ribbon band and also of this line here. This line is a big resistance. Now it is our support. It's the middle line on the 15-minute chart. You can see it. It's fighting now with this middle line, retesting it. So we may see an upgoing Bitcoin here in the near future. From the upside is coming the EMA 200. That's the big resistance momently. And you see here I drawed a pattern. This is a diamond pattern. And if this diamond pattern will play out, we see a big dump to the downside. That's the big thing with this diamond pattern. Momently, it broke out to the downside. It spiked over again, and now it's here on this position. So it's unclear what's going on now with the 15-minute chart, with this diamond pattern. We need to watch it, guys. We need to watch it. So that's the thing for today for Bitcoin. Guys, very important. To be a good trader, you need this hoodie. This hoodie is very important. This is my store. I have a new fashion store for merchandising. I'm designing there a lot of things. This is my BITI QR code hoodie. You need this. I will link the shop here in my description. If you would like to support me, please, guys, this is a good way. Buy my fashion here. I have a lot of things here, also a lot of other products here. But this hoodie, I think it's very nice hoodie. You need this to make positive trades with your mana, with your brain, with all your power. This is helping you with special luck, with special brain power, and so on and so on. Seriously, guys, this is the coolest fashion here on earth. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much, guys, again for 600 abos. I'm giving you here all my applause. Thank you very much. I wish you a nice time, and guys, very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, and I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you're going long or if you go short. I wish you make millions out there with your trades, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, yours BT, your Bitcoin trading informant.